Embark on a journey through the culinary world with Extra Triple Curled Parsley. Celebrated for its vibrant green, deeply curled leaves, this herb not only adds a visual delight to your garden, but also serves as an essential ingredient in a variety of dishes. Join us as we explore the unique qualities that make Extra Triple Curled Parsley a must-have for both gardeners and chefs. Parsley is native to the Mediterranean region, where it has been cultivated for thousands of years. Extra Triple Curled Parsley, a cultivated variety, builds upon the classic parsley characteristics with its ornamental appeal. It has since become a popular choice for both home cooks and garden enthusiasts. Extra Triple Curled Parsley is characterized by its lush, dark green leaves that are intricately curled, creating a visually appealing mound of foliage. The deeply cut and frilly leaves add texture and dimension to garden beds and containers. This variety is known for its compact growth, making it suitable for various planting arrangements. Thriving in well-draining soil and partial to full sun, Extra Triple Curled Parsley is a versatile herb that can be grown in garden beds, containers, or even as an attractive edging plant. Regular watering and occasional fertilization contribute to healthy growth and abundant foliage. This parsley variety is a biennial, but it is typically grown as an annual for culinary purposes. Extra Triple Curled Parsley harmonizes well with a variety of garden companions, playing alongside vegetables like tomatoes or peppers to enhance their flavors. Its compact growth makes it an excellent choice for container gardens, where it can be paired with other culinary herbs for a convenient kitchen garden. Beyond its decorative appeal, Extra Triple Curled Parsley is a culinary powerhouse. The finely curled leaves add a fresh, bright flavor to a wide range of dishes, including salads, soups, stews, and as a garnish. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it a staple herb for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Parsley is not only a flavorful herb, but also a nutritious addition to your diet. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and potassium. Some traditional medicinal uses include its diuretic properties and potential benefits for digestion. In conclusion, Extra Triple Curled Parsley is a culinary masterpiece that brings both beauty and flavor to your garden. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants.